Let's start with the latest on the coronavirus outbreak. South Korea has confirmed one more case today. For the latest on this, we have our Kim Bo-kyoung on the line for us. Bo-kyoung, tell us more about the latest case.
Yes, Jiyoon. South Korea confirmed one more coronavirus case on Friday, bringing the total to 24. According to Central Accident Prevention Division on Friday, one of the Korean evacuees who returned to South Korea from Wuhan, the epicenter of the outbreak, tested positive on Thursday afternoon. The patient, a 28-year-old male, was moved to the National Medical Center on Thursday at 9 p.m. This is the second case among the evacuees who flew in from Wuhan. The evacuees have been under a 14-day isolation since arriving back from Wuhan last Friday. They are staying in public facilities in Asan City and Jincheon County. Both locations are about a 2-hour drive from Seoul. This latest case comes after the Central Accident Prevention Division confirmed 4 more cases on Thursday. 3 cases were Korean nationals who are either family members or have had close contact with other confirmed patients. They all had been in voluntary quarantine before being diagnosed with the disease. The other case was a Chinese woman who arrived in South Korea on January 23rd as a tourist. As the new cases were confirmed, the local TV home shopping channel Jiyoon, where one of those new patients has been working, decided to go off air until Saturday morning. This is the first complete temporary shutdown of a company in South Korea due to the coronavirus.
Now, what are some of the changes we're going to see starting from today?
The government will widen the scope of those being tested for the virus. It has expanded the definition of suspected cases to include people who show respiratory symptoms or fever within 14 days of visiting anywhere in China. Also, even if you haven't visited China but are concerned you might have the novel coronavirus because you have a high fever, you can get tested from today. Officials announced the move due to a rise in the number of confirmed patients who have been to countries other than China. To be eligible to take the test, you must have a high fever, one of the symptoms of the coronavirus. People with symptoms can visit 124 public health centers, and a locally developed new test kit that only takes 6 hours to determine whether a patient is infected will also be available at 50 medical institutions across South Korea. All the tests for coronavirus are free. That's all from me for now. Back to you, Jiyoon.